Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, we've got some more bullish news in today's video. I feel like I'm like the only one covering the bullish side of this, this two-sided coin here. Are we going to crash? The Fed's coming out with, another interest rate hike is what they're supposed to be having by the end of the year. Is that going to crash the market more? Are we going to start flying up here? I want to give you guys just another sign here of why we could be seeing moves up here faster than moves back down. So if you guys like anything in this video, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that subscribe button, the notification and the thumbs up, and let's dive on into this. We're going to be going over the crypto macro metrics today, but I want to start with this bullish article that came out that's circulating the web right now. Let's take a look. Bitcoin bullish signal, exchange outflows spike up. Okay, let's read into this. Negative values from this chart that I'm about to show you, negative net flows suggest investors are taking out a net number of coins right now. This kind of trend can indicate actually buying pressure in the market and hence could be bullish for BTC's value. Take a look at the chart here, guys. This is the Bitcoin exchange net flow total for all exchanges. Remember, this is just for Bitcoin. Let's continue to read here. As you can see in the above graph, the Bitcoin all exchange net flow has observed some negative spikes during the last 3 days. These downward surges in the indicator values have amounted to more than 61,000 Bitcoin leaving exchange wallets, the largest stag of withdrawals in months. Okay, 61,000 is staggering. It equates to, based off when this article was written, about $1.17 trillion worth of Bitcoin. 1.17 trillion, guys. This is nuts. Okay, what does this mean? Let me explain this real quick so you guys can understand this. Money that is flowing into exchanges usually happens for the reason of traders, institutions, whales to actually sell their coins, because on the exchange is where the quote-unquote exchange happens, where people take their coins and they sell them and they go back to fiat. What this is showing us is that the exchange net flows is showing that Bitcoin is moving off exchanges, probably back into cold storage where they can earn staking rewards, and it's usually a bullish sign. If people are moving money off exchanges, they don't need it on exchanges to sell, and so they're usually looking to hold that for a while because they're looking to make money on it. Okay, follow me on this. This gets pretty bullish here in a second. Crypto macro metrics. We are going to look at this, and I want to go all the way down to the bottom here, guys, and I want to look at the USDT and USDC inflows and outflows. USDT, for some reason, I'm trying to look into this a little bit. We're actually seeing USDT increase here a little bit. So for some reason, the people who are using USDT are actually selling some of their coins and actually putting it back to USDT. Maybe some fear around USDT maybe going down again. I'll look into that more. Here's what I want you guys to be paying attention to is USDC, which I arguably think is the most secure stable coin we have. Watch this. I'm going to compare this drop here, this drop over here, and this drop here. When USDC dominance, which is what you guys are looking at, is moving out of the market, this means that there is more money going into other coins versus this coin here. So if you take a look at this on the chart for Bitcoin, here's what we can observe. This move up right here is correlated to this drop right here in USDC. This drop right here is correlated to this move up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the chart so you guys can see this, and we're gonna pull this all together this morning. The biggest thing you guys wanna do, let me give you a quick little intermission here. Please watch for the next buy signal or the strong buy signal on the top and bottom finder. It is the best metric to call bottoms because I think we could be heading up here pretty soon. I'll show you how to set that up here in a second. And I'll give you a discount for all those indicators too. Watch this. If we take a look at this over here, this blue outflow is showing us from June 15th to August 15th of what happened over here. And this is all the outflow that happened on USDC, okay? Taking a look at that, what happened during this duration period for Bitcoin? The price actually went up. Let's take a look at that second outflow. If we look at over here, that's this drop right here you guys see. That's correlated to this move, where we saw USDC move out of the market, which means it's moving into coins, and we actually saw the jump. Now let's take a look at this section over here, where we are seeing this drop in USDC, and we can correlate to that moment over here. This, to me, tells us that we've got money moving into the market out of stable coins, people looking to buy, and we've also got, $1.17 trillion worth of Bitcoin that has just moved off exchanges. Guys, these are bullish signs, undeniably. And can I just give you another one here before we set up the alert? If you take a look at the overall technical analysis pattern of this, we have a descending triangle pattern, and I showed you guys this on Friday's video. The last 4 descending triangle patterns we got, guys, on the weekly time frame, or you can go down to the daily if you'd like, they all broke to the upside before some massive moves in the market. So looking at this, let's kind of bring this to a conclusion here. We have got $1.17 trillion worth of Bitcoin that have moved off exchanges, which, by the article stating this, and I do absolutely agree with this, this is actually indicating buying pressure in the market. And then you come over here, you see USDC moving out, which means people are not moving their money off the exchanges from coins and going to USDC. They do that when they're scared and they're expecting the market to drop. That's when it goes up, but they're not. If you guys see right over here, people are taking their money out of stable coins and they're investing it into Bitcoin and other coins. This is a bullish sign. Number 3 over here, guys, the descending triangle pattern, we only have until October 24th, and this thing can absolutely just get incredibly bullish. So here's what everybody needs to do. You need to set up the top and bottom finder buy and strong buy alert. So it's in the description. I'll give you guys a discount here in 1 second. I'll give you 53% off. It's how you guys combine our indicators together here. What you guys want to do is go to the BTC USD, click this and go to top and bottom finder. Click buy here, and then I want you guys to go to once per bar, and then you're going to go BTC and then buy. That's all you guys need to do, and then click create. The second signal I want you guys to set up is what's called a strong buy signal. So come over here, top and bottom finder, go to strong buy, once per bar close, and go BTC strong buy right there, and then click create down here, okay? Once you guys do that, you now have both alerts set up. And I've done this so many times in the videos for you guys, so you probably see duplicates. But what I'm watching for is that next buy signal to come out. I am going to be buying into Bitcoin, guys, and all the other top 8 coins that I have over here when the next buy signal on the daily or the weekly goes off for Bitcoin. Undoubtedly, because we can see that it's called massive moves up in the market here. And this is the place where you guys want to be getting in because it's actually at the bottom prices before we see some moves back up. This is where you guys start getting an edge on Bitcoin, because these signs, guys, that I'm sharing with you on this channel, these are pretty bullish signs. We could drop out, but even if you guys buy down in here and you guys are following us on this channel, we still have 47.98. Let's just call us 48%. We still have in cash. 52% exposed to the market. So we are ready to buy this dip. Okay, watch this, guys. What you want to do is come over here to the indicators tab on our website. I've linked this in the description. Here's how to get the best deal. The bundle pack, which I will be covering this week. I promise you guys, we will be using the price or so money flow and the trend exhaustion. I'm already getting a video ready for tomorrow where we're going to show you guys how to use these and predict market moves. Those are going to be part of the bundle pack. Make sure you guys get that. It's lifetime access, one-time payment. Source codes are included. Literally 82% off retail value price. So snag that. Here's the best deal. When you guys get the source codes, you're also going to get a PDF coupon code, which is 53% off the top and bottom finder. That's what you need to be setting up today. Literally today. It can happen any day, guys. Getting money into the market. We have about, I would say between $35 to $40 million just within our group that are taking these signals now. Make sure you set this up. Take that coupon code, click right here, and then I want you guys to follow these steps. Scroll straight on down and click I want this, enter the coupon code right here where it says discount code. It will give you guys $400 off, $400 off the top and bottom finder, and you guys will be able to set up these alerts with us. Watch that next buy signal over here on the daily time frame for Bitcoin as well as the weekly, and I do believe this is going to be the place where we see the biggest move up. It's either going to be a move up or a crazy drop back down, but we are seeing more and more bullish signs every day, guys. Seriously, enter these markets. So make sure you are prepared. By the way, watch this too. Price or swell money flow is heading down. If this gets anywhere down to the value over here, just a little extra tip, guys, down to 22 or 23, I'm expecting this to see some moves back up. Watch this here. Watch it right there. Watch it over here. The bottom of Bitcoin before we see moves back up. The bottom of Bitcoin here before we saw a move back up here. The bottom of Bitcoin here before we saw a move up. I'm watching, again, the well money flow to be the metric value of about 22, 23, and looking for that move back up, which is probably going to be correlating very closely to about $18,000 to get you guys back in. But watch this, because this has actually been more accurate than actually using the structures of support and resistance. It's been incredible. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep coming out with more this week. Make sure you guys set up that buy signal and that strong buy with the top bottom finder. Enjoy the money you guys make with it. We've been using it. We've been doing very well. I'm sorry, this is a little bit longer video. We are 440% more than the S&P 500 on our scalping trades that we call out for you guys, because we're using the top and bottom finder and these other indicators. If you guys want to come over and join our membership, you can. It's just 75 small bucks a month. We're calling all of these trades out for you guys. The master classes are there, the community chat. We go live with you guys every single month and coach you, myself, and Jake and Josh are on the call as well. And you'll get the top and bottom finder for the top 20 cryptos and the top 20 stocks as well. And guys, you get the macro metrics, which goes over crazy awesome things in the market. like, the emotional index, which we haven't gone over for a while, the Bitcoin long and short trades, the inflows and outflows of USDC, the whale and institutional smart money. Like, what are whales doing right now? When they come out with short trades in the market's dropping. When they come out with long trades in the market's pumping. Like, there's so much we haven't even gone over on YouTube here that you guys can just dive into when you guys have an actual membership. So the candy shop is open, guys. Go enjoy everything here and enjoy the 53% off coupon code as well as the 82% off. Set up these indicators, guys. Let's make some money. I'll keep calling scalping trades out, and I will see you guys in the membership later today. All right, bye, guys.